Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to upload video on your Instagram account. First open Instagram and click center button, look like plus in square now, and choose a picture on your gallery and adjust this button and click next. Now if you choose multiple pictures, then click this button and select multiple pictures. Now I am select this picture and click next and choose multiple filters or color grading on your demand. Click edit and then different options for you and click next. Type a caption for this picture and tag people if you want and add location. If you post this picture on your Facebook page, then connect the Facebook and click this and click the share button. Now this picture is uploading now. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel, press bell icon for more updates.